The title I chose for this assignment was The Ways in which improvement in the tourism sector are made in the Netherlands, formerly known as Holland, which is located northwest of the European country bordering Germany and Belgium. Amsterdam is the capital of the Netherlands, which is the center of economy hub and also the elegance of the royal family palace, which is the symbol, the government that support rapid development. And at the same time there is another city called known as the Hague is famous for its international courts. Tourism in the Netherlands is a relatively small sector of the country economy with a total contribution of 5.4% to gross domestic product and 9.6% to employment. The Netherlands is a country that can be said to a country that should be given priority to be visited by every tourist because it is a beautiful country. Although the country is small, but the quality of life there is quite good and there are not severe social symptoms. At the same time, the Netherlands gives safety priority to foreign tourists, and this makes the country the 14th safest country to visit. The people are also friendly to mix and fluent in English. Amsterdam was a city that was previously unknown to the world, but now the Board of Tourism Ministry had taken several steps to upgrade the city so that the tourists from the outside world can get to know the city. One of the steps is they color each building with paintings and drawings reflect their culture and heritage so that the beautiful scenery of the city and captive the heart of the tourists. Thus, every year the Netherlands holds about 300 tourism-related events so that this gives foreign tourists the opportunity to get to know their culture and way of life. The Netherlands Tourism Department is also looking for other new methods to attract tourists to Amsterdam and other cities, such as building a water canal by decorating it with colorful lights, as well as a beautiful bridge whose twinkling light connect the two cities. That the rivers ecosystem became a sources of tourism revenue recently. They are more innovative to find income opportunity to their country through beautified riverside with colorful flowers. The Netherlands is also taking a step forward as significant climate change has a negative impact on the world as well as its counterparts, so that the country is making drastic change in terms of the massive use of bicycles to replace vehicles that emit carbon dioxide that threaten the environment. By using a bike or wheelbarrow, the movement of tourists from one destination to another destination, it will launch tourism activities. Our country, Malaysia, also needs to follow in the footsteps of the Netherlands so that our country tourism sector will reach a level that can be proud of and learned by other countries. Therefore, without delay, the responsible parties must immediately find new methods such as the river ecosystem, rich in natural resources available in our country, is used as capital to launch tourism activities. The rivers found in every state that cross the cities are full of rubbish and not in ordinary maintenance, can be cleaned and decorated with colorful trees and stone, as well as build small bridges so that it can help tourists appreciate the scenery found on both sides of river. Moreover, small boats can also be used on the river so that the tourists can enjoy the green scenery more perfectly. Annual events can be here, such as fishing, cooking, photo shoot and boat competition and so on, that are related to the custom and culture of our country can be presented to foreign and domestic tourists. I hope we had learned more about this country, Netherlands, to upgrade our tourism sector. Thank you.